Hey there, fixers. So today we're gonna reset your maintenance light on your 2017 Toyota Corolla. So first you wanna go to see where it says auto and trip. You wanna press it until it says trip A. Then you wanna turn off your vehicle. And when you turn off your vehicle, you wanna press right here, hold it, and then turn back on your vehicle. Just ignition, not you're on completely. Just ignition. Now give me a second. I'm gonna turn it on. So there you go. Now keep on pressing it until it goes away. There you go. That's how you reset it.